Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best bottle brushes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, OXO Good Grips Bottle Brush. This OXO product is a fascinating brush with a number of interesting attributes. For one thing, its bristles are natural bore, so they are not only safe for use in all situations and soft enough to remove grime and dirt without leaving scratches, but they have no disturbing smell to them. Secondly, this product has an end that looks like an L, which shall help you clean sports bottles, vases, kettles, and other utensils with difficult corners. If that wasn't enough, the handle is long, comfortable, and narrow, so you can fit the brush through small openings with little to no challenge. At number 4, Dr. Brown's Bottle Brush. This brush, which was designed with baby bottles in mind, boasts a non-slip handle with grooves, and a brush head that has both bristles and a sponge. The result is a product that cleans more thoroughly than any other on the market. There are consumers who think that the top is a little too heavy because the brush keeps falling over whenever they try to make it stand. The brush features fixed chevron channels at the base for cleaning nipples. It has a comfortable handle. The grooves offer a stable, non-slip grip. The brush comes with a clip that simplifies storage. At number 3, Rubbermaid Comfort Grip Brush. Even though this product was created with baby bottles in mind, it is far more diverse, boasting synthetic bristles that are durable enough to survive the stress of intense scrubbing but also soft enough to clean bottles, glasses, and even pots, pans, and dishes without leaving scratches. You can trust the brush with all your heavy-duty cleaning. This product's solid plastic construction means that it can work for a very long time, if not forever. The synthetic bristles are durable. They are unlikely to break. This brush will scrub pots, pans, and dishes on top of bottles. A handle is contoured which allows for a stable, more comfortable grip. The plastic build will allow this brush to last a long time even with intensive use. At number 2, Full Circle Clean Reach Bottle Brush. Our products use less energy and emit fewer greenhouse gases in production. By choosing products made from plant-based materials, which break down safely and quickly, you've made a responsible choice for you and the planet. All Full Circle products are made without harmful coatings, dyes, plastics and chemicals to make sure your family gets a healthier, BPA-free clean. Clean is pretty dirty if it means being wasteful. That's why our products use long-lasting, renewable, compostable or recycled resources whenever possible. From composting to nixing plastic water bottles, you make all the right choices for a more conscientious lifestyle. Our products just help make it a bit easier to tackle every day. Finally at number 1, OXO Good Grips Bottle Set. This product is less of a bottle brush and more of a complete cleaning set. You can look forward to a detail cleaner and a straw brush on top of the bottle brush itself. OXO provides the straw brush to simplify the process of cleaning bottle straws. The detail cleaner is designed to tackle caps and lids. The bottle brush is built to clean the insides of bottles and it is small enough to pass through very narrow necks. This brush has soft side bristles that can be used to clean the interior of bottles and glasses without leaving scratches. The handle is non-slip, so consumers are guaranteed a strong, solid, comfortable grip. Because of the comfortable grip, this brush is so much easier to maneuver than most. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.